Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor, and today I'm at the lovely community of Abingdon, which is one of the sub-communities in the greater Lake Wilburn Trace Crossings area. So if you will recall, this is the 55 plus neighborhood. It is unique, it's one of a kind in Birmingham, and there's so many families moving in here. It's just a great location. So this house is actually one of my clients who are building here. They're downsizing, moving to a little bit smaller home, but more importantly, they're moving to a different home configuration. So this home has main level parking and a main level master bedroom, and it has great views out the back. So if you're looking for a home like this, if you are in that position where you're looking to downsize and perhaps just change the configuration and get away from the stairs, and you would like to consider new construction, give me a call. I'm happy to walk side by side with you through this process. And just remember, when you go directly to the agents who work at Abingdon or any other new construction site, they represent the builder. They're wonderful to work with. I love working hand in hand with them. But as your agent, I represent you in your best interest. So if you're thinking about Abingdon, Lake Wilburn, any other new construction area, give me a call. I'm so easy to reach. 205-249-0097.